In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Calendly to Instagram for Business. Integrating these platforms can streamline your appointment scheduling and promotion efforts on social media. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, this easy process will help you engage with your audience seamlessly. And it only takes a few minutes. First, let's start by logging into your Calendly account. If you haven't used Calendly before, it's an excellent tool that simplifies scheduling by connecting with your calendar and providing available times for meetings automatically. Head over to Calendly and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Event Types page. This is where all your events are listed, and you can manage them effectively. Next, locate the specific event you'd like to promote on Instagram. You want to make sure this event is already set up with all the correct details, such as time, location, and any other relevant information. When you've found the event, click on the Copy Link button. This copies the scheduling link directly to your clipboard, so it's ready to be shared with your audience on Instagram. Now, it's time to open the Instagram app on your device and go directly to your business profile. Tap Edit Profile to make changes to your account details. Under the Bio section, paste the Calendly URL that you copied earlier. This link will allow your followers to easily schedule time with you directly from Instagram, making the process convenient for both you and your audience. After you've pasted the URL, be sure to save your changes. Your Calendly link is now prominently displayed on your Instagram profile, making it simple for potential clients or customers to book appointments or meetings with you. Alternatively, for a more automated approach, you might want to consider using Zapier. If you don't already have an account, sign up and log in. Zapier is a powerful tool that connects different apps to automate tasks. Once logged in, create a new Zap by selecting Calendly as your trigger app. This means that whenever a specific action happens in Calendly, it will trigger another action in a different app. Select an event from Calendly, for example, Invitee Created. Then, choose Instagram as the action app. Decide on what you want to happen when the trigger event occurs. For instance, you might choose to publish photos whenever someone schedules a meeting with you. This could be a great way to provide visual updates or reminders to those who engage with your calendar. Lastly, connect both your Calendly and Instagram accounts within Zapier. This grants Zapier the necessary access to perform these tasks on your behalf. By doing this, you automate part of your social media management and save valuable time. And there you have it. You've successfully synced Calendly to Instagram for Business, enhancing your scheduling and engagement strategies effortlessly.